In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon Prime and Prime Video subscription plan. If you're looking to unlock a world of benefits such as free shipping on millions of items, streaming thousands of movies and shows, and much more, you're in the right place. This process is quite straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon's website by typing in www.amazon.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the homepage. Give it a click and it will prompt you to sign into your Amazon account. If you're not already registered, you'll need to create an account first. For those who already have an account, just enter your email address and click continue. Afterwards, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your password and hit the sign button. This will take you directly to your Amazon homepage. From here, you should see the option to join Prime. Clicking this will lead you to the Amazon Prime membership offers page, where you're given an overview of what subscribing to Prime entails. Next up, click on Explore Other Plans to view a variety of membership options. This might include monthly or annual plans, as well as student discounts and occasionally special promotions. Decide which plan suits you best. If you're not quite ready to commit, Amazon often provides a start a free 30-day trial, allowing you to experience all the benefits before deciding. Upon choosing your preferred plan, you're going to need to select your payment method. Here's where you'll click Add a credit or debit card to proceed further. After entering your card details, take a moment to double check all your information. Make sure everything's accurate. This step is important to ensure there are no hitches in your subscription process. Before finalizing your purchase, review your subscription details. Make sure you've selected the right plan and your payment information is correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you're now a proud member of Amazon Prime. With your membership active, you're all set to start enjoying the myriad of benefits Amazon Prime offers. Dive into the vast collection of movies and TV shows on Prime Video, or revel in the fast, free delivery services as you shop your favorite items online. Should you encounter any issues or have queries about your subscription, Amazon's customer service is always available to help. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy your Amazon Prime experience.